Pre. Pre. Katagalan natin ng stainless pre. Hindi na rin ako.
Hello. Nice boats.
Fishing boat.
Yeah. I sell boats in America.
Oh, Indonesia.
Yeah. These are from Indonesia?
Ordinary.
How old are they? You know the age? You know how old they are?
Yeah.
It's too cool.
Okay.
These guys get it done, huh? That's so cool. I don't see any center console outboard engine fishing boats around here. That's too cool. Money making machines, huh? Somebody's doing a little bottom painting, a little scraping the bottom down there. Bottom scraping. Probably go find my wife. There's no telling where she is. She's probably got a belly full of tuna already, knowing her. This isn't your typical Florida fishing, huh? too cool.
Balik ako, Joe. Oh. Ya pas gusto mo ngasal kami. Ngasal ko na kami, paano yan rin?
Wow. That's cool. Boy. Tough people, huh? All without falling. I'd be in the water for sure. See the guys here offloading the fish. I don't know if I can maintain my balance on that thing, huh? That puts a whole new term to walking the plank. Every day, all day. That's too cool, the boats that they're using. What a cool boat. It's a cool boat. You guys are tough. Yeah. There's some strong people. Resilient, strong people. All right, so quick recap here. Boy, that's a bunch of fish. On some boats I don't think I would want to be on overnight. It's crazy. These people are resilient. Some resilient people. They're resilient people.
Yeah.
Strong. Yeah.
That's why if you want to work, if you want to find hardworking people overseas.
Yeah. It's the Philippine people.
Yeah.
That's crazy. What an experience, huh?